Hello, it's Chris again. I just wanted to give you a quick update on the channel and to apologise for not uploading any videos since late last year, apart from a short fun video entitled Corona Puppy which I did in April. The main reason is that early in the new year I went travelling in New Zealand for 2 months and in fact only just made it back before air travel basically shut down at the end of March. Since then, and despite the lockdown, I've not had any time to make more videos. However, I'm now back in harness and hope to upload videos on Photoshop, Lightroom and Luminar on a fairly regular basis. I will also be doing a few videos on my other great passion, which is cricket. In the meantime, I've included in this video a few photos from the New Zealand trip, which was mainly in the South Island. If there is demand, I might do a longer video to show off some of these photos. New Zealand is certainly a very beautiful country. Thanks for watching, and if you find the new videos useful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Many thanks.